T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Go for main engine start. 3, 2, 1, 0. And liftoff of the Atlas V with MMS, using magnetic reconnection to fill in pieces of the puzzle of space weather.
Engine response looks appropriate. SRB chamber pressures are rolling on. Fair angle attack phase of flight. And booster and throttle back. Time. The roll program has completed. Mach 1. Max speed. Now throttle back up. 3180 continues to perform well. SRB chamber pressures have rolled off. Current altitude is 8.46 miles, downrange distance 4.1 miles, velocity 1,882 miles per hour.
Flying station at Jupiter Inlet now supplying data.
SRB chamber pressures look good, coming up on SRB burnout. Continues to operate well. We have chamber pressures rolling on. And we have satisfied BOTA, and we have throttled back up to 100% thrust. Current altitude is 19 miles, downrange distance 18.7 miles, current velocity 3,028 miles per hour.
Atlas will cut off at 4 minutes and 9 seconds into the light.
RD-1A continues to perform well. Speeds and chamber pressures within band. Coming up on closed loop steering. And we have enabled closed loop steering. The V's have been jettisoned.